Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to screen record Discord calls on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. Recording Discord calls on an iPhone can be a bit challenging since iOS restricts direct call recording. Discord doesn't have a built-in record button, but you can still capture calls using your iPhone's built-in screen recorder. Here's how. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Press and hold the screen recording icon. If you don't see it, open Settings, go to Control Center, and add Screen Recorder. Before you start, ensure the microphone option is enabled so it records both your voice and the call audio. Then tap the record button and open Discord and join a voice channel. After that, start your Discord conversation. When finished, tap the red bar at the top to stop recording. The video will save automatically to your Photos app. So that's basically how you can screen record Discord calls on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.